Captain Gut? Really? You know, I have a little paunch too, but I wouldn't name myself after it.
That's funny. You're a funny guy. But that's not how I got my name. These got me my name.
I don't get it.
No? Okay. Let me give you a visual aid. I just gently press here. And go down. Like this.
And then your innards become your outers.
I still don't get it.
Look, as much as I'm tempted to join the Easter Bunny and a giant bag of pudding, I'll pass. No one's gonna stop me from getting back to my family.
I'm gonna lombardo with your liver, buddy! Let me at him.
That family is going to be the death of you. First mate, jettison the dead weight.
Aye, aye, sir. Prepare the plank!
Prepare the plank! Preparing the plank!
Hey, ow! What? You want me to walk into the water? I can't, because I just ate less than 20 minutes ago, and you know the rule.
That's a myth.
Oh, okay. Long as it's safe.
Wait!
Oh, thank goodness.
Dump the wench, too. Ladies first.
Such a nice boy. Why can't you be more like him, Sydney?
Granny, no! Wait!
Manny! Get me to the vine.
Yeah, got it!
Y'all got some ugly goldfish.
Come on, a little more.
No!
Extinct that.
Come on, Manny! Kick his butt!
Look at you! 11 tons of land lubber blubber!
Hey, I'm not fat. I'm poofy.
Too bad, Tubby. I could have used you.
Ain't gonna happen, Captain.
I got you, Granny.
Giddy up. Let's go. Ow! Ow!
Does anyone have floaties?
No! No! My bounty!
They sunk our battleship! What are we gonna do? We're all gonna drown!
You're a sea creature, you idiot.
Oh, good point, sir.
Should I play the weight, Captain?
No!
Wait, what about Shearer?
What about her?
Yeah, what about her?
Anyone else wanna play captain? Good. Now come on, Blubberbrain. Swim!
Hey! God! Flynn! Anyone there?
Here, grab hold!
No, go away! I'd rather drown.
Whatever the lady wants.
I said I didn't need your help.
You're welcome. So, care to join our scurvy crew?
Than a saber? You guys are like the start of a bad joke.
And we saved you. That makes you the punchline, kitty.
Don't call me Kitty.
Okay, I won't. Kitty.
If they kiss, I'm gonna puke.
What? Wait, no.